Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to make weather station with BME 280 and Raspberry Pi Pico board. We will see how to interface BME 280 sensor with Raspberry Pi Pico board by using MicroPython programming. So let us get started. This is circuit diagram. Here I am using one Raspberry Pi Pico board and one I2C LCD display and one BME 280 sensor. You can see SCL pin is connected to SCL pin, means SCL pin of both module is common, and here connected on GPIO 1. Okay, and SDA pin of LCD is connected to SDA pin of BME 280 sensor, and it is connected on GPIO 0. In pin is connected to 3.3 volt output and VCC pin is connected to 5 volt output, because LCD required 5 voltage and BME 280 sensor required 3.3 voltage. Here ground pin is common with Raspberry Pi Pico board. So I hope you understood this. Now we will go to MicroPython programming. I will open Thony IDE. Now I will connect the board. Go to tools and options. Go to interpreter. USB COM-port 12 is okay. Here MicroPython Raspberry Pi Pico board is selected. Okay. Wow. This is Raspberry Pi Pico flash drive. First of all, I will install BME 280 sensor library. So go to tools and manage packages. I will search BME 280. Okay. I will click over here and install this. Library has been installed. Once we can check here, this is library package, a BME 280 sensor. Okay. Now once I will check board connectivity. Wow, it responded. Okay. Now I will make here program for BME 280 sensor. I will read here temperature, humidity and pressure and print on serial. Okay, so first of all I will import pin and I2C library. So from machine import pin and I2C. This is class, not library. Machine is a library and pin and I2C are classes. Now from time library I will import slip class, and again from BME 280 import BME 280 class. Now I will initialize I2C. So this is I2C variable and I2C. Here 0 because I am using I2C 0 port, and SDA equal to pin. SDA pin is connected on GPIO 0, and now SCL pin is connected on GPIO 1, and frequency is 4 lakh hertz. Okay. Now I will initialize BME sensor. Okay, and here I have to see what I have initialized. Okay, now I will print here value of temperature, humidity and pressure. So print bme dot values. First of all I will save in Raspberry Pi Pico board bme, sorry, again I will copy and close this. I will save in Raspberry Pi Pico board and bme test dot py. Okay, now I will click on run button. Wow, great, you can see here temperature is 22.32 degrees Celsius, environment pressure is 692.10 hectopascal and humidity is 73.26%. Okay, now I want to print these things on 16x2 LCD. So I have already created code. I will create new page and I will save on Raspberry Pi Pico drive bme underscore lcd dot py. I will select and copy and paste here. Okay, you can see I have imported LCD API and I2C LCD library. I have initialized LCD. Here this is I2C address and this is type of LCD 16x2. I am using BMP read underscore compensated data because I copied from here, from library. You can see I copied from here, and you already know how LCD print, and here I am printing temperature, humidity and pressure. So code is very simple. Now I will click on run button. Wow, great. Now you can see here temperature is 28.54 degrees Celsius, environment pressure is 1014.32 hectopascal and humidity is 50.42%. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like my video, you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.